Alright, welcome to the first clip for the April monthly log thing. So, I've been thinking, Ethereum Classic, right? Who cares about the price? Look at that. The halving is in 24 days, right? And the difficulty is, it did go up a good bit, actually. Well, I don't, whoops, wrong thing. Difficulty. Yeah, you see it went up a bit. And if you look at the hash rate, there you go. Now, you know Ethereum is going to be proof of stake in like 2 months, right? Let's see. April, May, June. 3 months. Okay. And look at that hash rate. The 28 versus this 900. Was that in terahash? Yeah. So this is like a lot smaller than that. So the difficulty be a lot smaller. So basically, you'll get a lot more of this coin, and there's a halving. So like, let's just say this is 30 days, and I mine it for a whole month. That'll be basically like 2 months after it's halved, assuming difficulty stays the same, of course. However, I'm thinking, if I mine this coin now with all my rigs, I'll be getting the most Ethereum Classic I possibly can, like, ever. And whenever Ethereum becomes proof of stake, all that hash rate have to go somewhere. And I feel like a good chunk of it is going to go in Ethereum Classic, which would make it even harder to mine. So there'll be a lot less coins for everyone to get. So this price might hypothetically go up by a lot. So if you do a calculation where you do the all-time high times how much yield you get. Oh, I can't spell. Wait, that's not what I want. Brain. So, let's just do a 1050 Ti for example. Oh, actually, that's a bad idea. Let me do 3080 Ti. So if I go down here and look at this, take this times the all-time high of F. I don't know if they would work with that abbreviation. It's, there you go, 4,878 times that. This is how much you would get daily if it was at its all-time high, based on the yield you get for the coin right now, which is $5.85 per day, which is not bad at all, right? So let's go to Ethereum Classic, right? You get 0.06 instead of 0.0012, which is a lot more Ethereum. Well, not Ethereum, but you get what I mean. So if I do that, all-time high ATC. I don't need that anymore. Let's see here. What was the all-time high? 167. So if I take that, where did I put that? Oh shit, did I delete it on accident? God damn it. Alright, let me just do it here. There times this. In one day, a 3080 Ti, whenever it hits its all-time high for Ethereum Classic, is $10.57. Alright? And the coin will be harder to get because difficulty will rise up a lot, because all those hash rate from Ethereum it's got to go somewhere whenever it becomes proof of stake. So yeah, it just makes sense to mine Ethereum Classic right now with all my rigs, even though Ethereum is more profitable, which kind of feels weird doing that, but hey, that's the plan for April 1st. Is it April? Yeah, April 1st. So that's what I'm planning to do. My lovely sexy man. So I'm going to set that up on everything and just show you the hash rate, I guess, and call it a day. So I set everything up for Ethereum Classic. I'm thinking about keeping my 3080 Ti mining Ethereum because these hash rates are not the best. I could do better on Ethereum and have a lithium too, which you can't dual mine Ethereum Classic and Ethereum Classic and a lithium together, so I'm not mining Ethereum Classic on here. However, I did do something really, really cool. So if I go over here real quick, look what I did. Well, let me actually, there we go. I don't have my thing set right. There we go. I got this thing on top of this. It's running. Okay, this dongle does not want to work with me real quick. Whatever, I just fucking hold it myself. It's doing 63 degrees on the 1050 Ti, doing 14 mega hash on this makeshift fan for it. This thing runs super hot, so yeah. So yeah, everything else is going to be mining Ethereum Classic besides my 3080 Ti. So I'm recording this on phone because my camera's dead. I was trying to copper mod this, and for some reason it does not work. I have no clue why. And I smelled like something. It was, I don't know, something weird smelled while it's turning this on. So I looked at it and I don't really see anything wrong. I don't remember if those dots were there already or what, but I have no clue. You know, I'm like, I don't know. I'm just, it is what it is. I can't think straight anymore. So I'm gonna put that 3070 that's in the garage in my main PC and use that for now. And then let this dry. It already feels dry, but I'm gonna just keep it going for the night, and then I'll try again when I get new thermal paste. Like, I don't know what the fuck happened. Like, I have no clue what I did wrong. Oh, I also need isopropyl alcohol to clean that. So I might get back at this in like 3 days or so. It depends on Amazon. Just so fucking unfortunate. Don't know what the hell happened. I have all the stuff there. It's just, I don't know, I'm just so disappointed. Also, it's April, well, not 16th, April 16th. So, yeah. Alright, it's April 25th, so it's getting close to the end of this month. And I didn't really do much but kill a 3080 Ti. However, I do have someone else looking at it. Maybe I missed something for trying to fix it. I told him if he fixes it, I will pay him 40 bucks. But I really doubt he can fix it, but we'll see. So, I just changed to Ethereum for all my why isn't it fucking working. Well, that I'm gonna change that to something else later. But yeah, it should be mining Ethereum. Okay, it is working. Yeah. Because Ethereum Classic just hit its 5th inning. I didn't really look at the numbers for don't worry about that. What was I talking about? Oh yeah. So I was looking at like the numbers and stuff. And it's actually not a full on halving. So yeah. It's just 1/5. I was like, bruh. I only said halving because like if you go on the events calendar, it shows yeah, halving right here. So oh well. So yeah, I decided to change back to Ethereum again because it's just more profitable in general. And for my 570, I'm thinking about mining Raven coin on it again. And I'll probably go back to trying my series again for this because it's been 2 weeks, so it's about time I make a new one. I was making a part 2 of this, but you know what happened. So yeah, this failed horribly. And that's about it for April 25th, really. So yeah. Alright, so I mainly mined Ethereum Classic So as you can see, that's how much I got in, it's not a full month, but it was close to a whole month. And you can see how much I mined Varus coin wise. I'm mining a little bit of Raven. RTM, I can't check how much RTM I have right now because the website that it's on is in maintenance. So I can't update that yet. It should be done tomorrow and I could put it in later. I know I'm a week late, but oh well. So yeah, didn't sell any crypto today because I don't have any to sell, or that I want to sell. All the crypto remains, yeah, cool. So if we go in the, oh yeah, prices fell a lot for literally everything. This used to be like almost $2 and that fell. This one must be $2. Yeah, this one fell pretty hard, which makes me sad. That one too makes me sad. That one, I think it actually went up a little bit. That one fell a lot. This one fell a lot, but I don't own any, so it doesn't matter. And yeah, it sucks. So if you go to HODL income, you could see how much I made in the month. Oh wait, no, this is how much I HODLed in a month, you should say. So it's 142. So I did HODL a lot more compared to the previous months. Total in-hand income. Oh yeah, I didn't sell anything. I was like, this isn't right. Anyway. So if you look at profits, March I made the most from Flux, but I believe that's when I changed my UPX and stuff into Flux, right? Yeah. So profits is decently low. And yeah, hopefully next month will be better. And I did that person that I let them try to fix my GPU, they somehow fixed it. I asked how they fixed it and they don't even know how they fixed it, but they fixed it, so that's great. And I was planning to show this on next month's, but I moved some stuff around, and like on Windows my 3080 Ti just doesn't hash well. I don't know why. I've been having it like that for months, so I decided to try it on Hive OS. Look at that, 95 mega hash. And I had the updated T-Rex on Windows 2, and it was doing like a lot less. 95 mega hash. That's really fucking good for a 3080 Ti. So yeah. Also, I didn't know about this until recently. If you go on, wrong thing, the actual like mining pool, the payouts is now 0.2 F. Like, dude, that's going to take forever to get paid now, because I only get this much per week, so I'll probably have to wait like 5 to 6 weeks to get paid my F. So I probably won't even get my F in May either. I'll probably have to get it in June, and then by then, after I get it to June, I'll probably like start selling some GPUs and stuff, like on my older ones and my non-LHRs, depending on the price. If the price falls back to like a normal LHR, I'll probably just might as well keep it, but we'll see. That's in the future. Anyway, I know much haven't really happened. It is what it is. Please like and subscribe, and hopefully next month will be better. Well, not next month, this month now, really, but whatever.